What's up, guys? I'm back with a part 1 for the tutorial on how to make a Reigarw comparisons probability video. So a few days ago, I posted a video showing how to make a table graph like the one I made on the coronavirus report from January through February of 2020, and people seem to like it. Except my fanbase now want to know how to make a Reigarw comparisons video because they really like that. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. How to make a Reigarw comparisons probability video with animated groups of pictures, text and captions, and shapes and probabilities. So today we're going to be making a part 1. I have to split it into 2 parts because Keynote doesn't let you publish any video that is longer than 15 minutes, and the tutorial is going to be a 20-minute long total. So the part 1 we'll have to do for now. Let's start to make the Reigarw like video.
Going to start building a Reigarw video from scratch.
So
So
first,
first, we're going to be searching for the
shape
shape that Reigarw used for his videos for the probability. So in this case, we're going to be using a blue hexagon. So we have to make sure it's a PNG because we don't want to have any background.
So,
For instance, this image is not a real PNG because it has a checker background even if you did not click on it. So it's not a real PNG.
This
This
image
image is also not a real
PNG
PNG because it doesn't have a checker background even if you do actually click on it.
So there's some
other images that
maybe
be
real
real
PNGs.
PNGs. For example,
this
this image is an actual real PNG because it does not have a checker background when we did not click on it, but does when we do actually click on it. So
we're
going to add it into a presentation.
Now we're going to add a text.
Make the shape smaller. There we go.
Change
the font. That looks good. Change the font size to 52. Now we're going to make it bold. 100 to 1 and 1. Now we're going to be adding captions to that image.
Here we
go. So now we are going to be changing the font size to 40. No, not 450. 45. Now we're going to make it to the top so we could have some space. Now we're going to change the color of the text. Gradient fill. It looks good if we just green. blue, yellow, purple. Yes. No, actually don't need that. So now text color black, bold, and add a mayfly image. Let's see if the image folds our PNG rule. Yeah, it does. No, 55 font. Black. Add the title. Okay. Vans Waking Fill. Iris. Red. And yellow. Make the text white. 70. Impact. Death probability for May. So now we are going to be duplicating it, make a border between them, make the border colorful, style. At. Group each of it. Actually, that. That. 60. Add a rip PNG image. See if it's a real PNG or not. Yeah, that's a real PNG. Smaller than drag. No. Drag it. Now duplicate it again. 2 years old. And at 3 years old. All mayflies die before the age of 1 after turning into an adult mayfly, so yeah. No constraint proportions. Now some shape are kind of distorted. we got to make it white italic. There. So now everything's grouped together.
So, thank you for watching, guys. That was a part 1. Part 2 is going to be for tomorrow. So, we're looking forward to it and learn something from it and understand computer science better. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.